Alright guys, we're here with another exciting episode of Things We Bought Off of Amazon. Cheapskates, as Lance would call it. This episode, fingerboards. Did it really just come like this?
I guess.
It's shipped like this.
I didn't open it.
Just a blue bag with no address on it, so how did it get here, we'll never know. And it just says simply fingerboards. So this is Amazon Fingerboard.
Yeah.
Complete fingerboard, broken knuckle fingerboard, Dobbs Ferry, New York. P-Rep fingerboards provide affordable, high-quality setups to all those who want to try the advanced features of wooden fingerboards, turnable trucks and bearings, wheels.
It's like a board setup.
What do you mean?
Remember how we used to do these in the past? What's up?
You see this?
That's amazing.
Dude! Okay, so let's see what we got here. I'm assuming that this little piece of thingy is what they would refer to in the skateboard industry as grip tape. And then on the top here it says fingerboards P-Rep. Are you kidding me? You have to actually like use the hardware? If I'm gonna set this up, I need to go to Zoomies.
Wow, look at those trucks.
I'm pretty sure they're indies. They're like legit real trucks.
Dude, that's nuts. Backwards. Ah!
I had this idea for a series, and I thought it was awesome, but everyone else thought it was stupid. But let me know what you think. You make it, we fingerboard it.
No.
Yes. If you have something you want to send to skated@brailleskateboarding.com, like a glass fingerboard, carbon fiber fingerboard, I'm super down.
Would you watch a series called You Make It, We Fingerboard It?
No.
I'm putting on the grip tape. You keep hitting me with the microphone.
Yeah, dude, later we gotta take pictures of both sides. Oh, yeah. That'd be cool.
Oh, wow. No air bubbles? First try?
That is a really good job, actually.
Yeah. I work at Finger Zoomies.
Oh, no, you have to poke the holes?
Are you kidding me?
Dude, this is harder than I expected. Are there bearings?
I hope not. If there's bearings, I will cry and give up and go home. What if I drop one of these? It'll be gone forever.
Dude, you need to get out the skate tool.
I don't think it works for this part. Oh, it does. You kidding me?
That's so legit.
I think I might have it on wrong, though. All right, I think it needs to go like this. See that?
Yeah, that was legit. I need like an
Oh, dude,
even
that's...
tighter focus.
You need a macro lens. What's up, BBT?
How hard is this?
It's very hard. It's time consuming. My back hurts. My eyes hurt.
That's so cool.
So cool. I mean, I guess it is kind of cool. I've never really fingerboarded, but I think it's kind of cool because it does get kids into skateboarding. It's like a toy. They go to the store and they see a fingerboard and they're like, hey mom, I want that. And then later they're like, maybe I should try this for real. And then they find Braille and then they learn how to skate. It's pretty crazy how many people we've taught how to skate. There's this kid who came here today and he's like doing the most incredible tricks. And he's like, yeah, I learned with skateboarding made simple. We're like, huh? How does that work?
Yeah, you gotta screw it in there.
No, no way. And then it just screws into the... There's no bolt on the bottom though. Unless it screws right into the truck.
That looks so hard.
Dude. It's like rocket science.
That's it? That's it?
I guess. If my truck falls off when I'm going full speed and I bruise a knuckle, I'm gonna be so mad.
Deadly. That's why I don't fingerboard.
It's very dangerous.
I can't risk an injury.
It hurt my piano career. Dude.
It's on there?
Yeah.
Two
Should I just do
bolts only?
two?
That's gonna compromise the structural integrity of a real wood fingerboard.
It's true.
Problem is, once we set it up, we don't know any tricks.
Yeah, we need fingerboarding made simple. How much was this fingerboard?
What was it, 80 bucks?
Shut up. How much was it?
20 maybe?
20 for this full setup?
I think so.
Yeah, the link will be in the description below.
I like the way it countersinks into the grip tape. It looks actually really good.
Let's show that. Wow.
Wow.
Dude.
Just wow.
Look at that. The true test is going to be the kickflip test.
If I can kickflip it?
Yeah.
Alright, so I got the Indy trucks, I got Force wheels, I got the red Lifeline Revive board, Am grip, and yeah, this is pretty much my setup, all available on Amazon.
Those bearings are fire.
Dude, so good. Now I'm gonna fingerboard made simple. Let's see if we got this. Warning, I cannot fingerboard. I have no idea how people do this. Ow. Okay, let's do all the tricks. Ollie. Front 180. Back 180. How do people pop though? Do they grab it?
No, come on, grabbing, dude. That's so lame. There we go.
Okay, ready?
What? What?
No, I swear it's not what it looks like. No, dude. Tray flip?
What the? Whoa. What? 540 flip?
Okay, maybe tray flip is the trick. I think this is actually switch.
No, that was it. That was it.
Slow-mo?
First three.
Slow-mo for my gram. I'm getting so frustrated. I want to finger focus this.
Wait. New clip. Oh!
First try!
Since Aaron and I cannot fingerboard at all, we brought two professionals here. Rochambeau.
Wait, introduce him, man.
Yeah, I'm Fetty, by the way.
Oh, sorry. The pros are Fetty and
Jordan Green.
Jordan Green. And you own...
Redemption handboards and fingerboards.
he owns a handboard and fingerboard company, so this is going to be legit.
Fetty owns Fetty.
So we're going to play a game of... What do we call this? A game of finger? A game of skate.
We have to call it tricks, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Am
That's
I
pretty
using
legit.
yours? Or
Fetty uses the Amazon.
I have to use...
I actually want to get your thoughts on what you think about it.
I'm not about myself.
You got potato chip grease on it.
I know, what the heck? Trucks are all tight, what is this? Alright, shove.
Kidding me.
Oh yeah, it's true. His truck's are really big.
Did you get that?
Oh yeah, you just shove it.
Yeah. No.
Shove it?
Yeah.
Oh
Oh, he's killing it.
Kickflip. Oh god. Alright, kickflip. Oh man.
How do you do that?
Oh yeah. Damn.
Heel flip.
I'm sorry, we are not set up for this. This is not regulation anything.
Alright,
Rebate with the fan?
Yeah, rebate.
Heel flip.
Switch tray.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm horrible at switch.
Oh, just shove. Oh no. Finger
Forward heel flip.
Oh.
Oh, nope, that was barrel heel.
Backside heel.
Switch flip.
No, I don't.
Hard flip.
Flip.
Good pop. Barrel heel.
Damn. Fetty.
Big spin heel.
Tray flip.
Big heel.
Front side shove.
Nice. Pop.
Possible.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's just do a nollie.
Okay, so I can't move this finger, by the way, like from my hand. Aw.
Big spin.
Whoa. That was a big spin flip.
Nollie flip. Oh.
Big spin.
Okay. Oh, nice, Fetty.
Hard flip, but a heel flip.
It was heel?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh.
Backside flip.
You didn't win any.
Wow. Nice.
Big flip.
Give it here.
Dude, what?
Oh.
Primo.
Okay, new round with the
And
ledge.
then if I somehow win this, then we'll go to rail. No, he won. He goes first.
Okay.
Tail slide. Nose blunt.
Oh my god, that was clean. Nice.
How about blunt?
Fakey.
I'm in your space. Kickflip front board.
Oh my god, dark slide.
Just a front nose, right?
Uh-oh.
Fakey ollie to switch fire off. Fakey ollie switch nose fire. Oh, I missed. Nope.
How about a 5-0?
Nice.
A 180 switch crooks. Nope.
Smith?
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, what's happening?
Back tail?
Tail.
Nice.
Crook?
Very nice. Nice.
Alright, nose grind, nollie flip.
What? Oh, that's some Aaron Kyro video part stuff right there.
Alright, pop, shove, nose grind.
Wow.
Dude, what?
Oh. Yeah. This would be one more try.
Oh, dang.
No. Yeah, get the rail out here. So, what do you think of the Amazon Fingerboard?
It's alright, the trucks need to be loose.
You like it better than a Tech Deck?
It's the same thing.
Alright, rail time.
Round 3.
50-50?
Nice. Clean.
Smith. Oh.
Crooked grind. Feeble.
Oh, dang it.
You're gonna do board side.
Boom.
He's got the rail unlocked.
Front board.
Yes.
Blunt slide. Fakey.
What?
Oh, no
Oh.
way. Do we remake that? Because the rail kind of knocked over?
Yeah, sure.
Nope.
Smith.
Nice.
Kickflip, back lip.
Whoa.
I don't know what that was.
Overcut?
Kickflip feeble.
On feeble?
Back Smith.
Nice.
Did we do tail slide yet?
Oh, no.
Heel flip, board slide.
Oh, my gosh.
Front feeble.
Alright.
Very nice.
Nollie overcut. Or nose grind.
Roll up.
Impossible, board slide.
Wow.
Kickflip front board.
Oh, damn.
Switch 50.
Backside 5-0.
Nice. Oh, no.
I'm falling apart here.
180, like crook.
Switch 50.
Nice.
Nope.
Switch front feeble.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Front side nose blunt.
Oh, damn. Nice, Betty.
Kickflip, back lip.
Switch front board.
Oh, no.
Switch front feeble. Oh.
Backside salad.
Nice.
Got it. Backside salad the other way, or?
Sushi?
Yeah, it's been a while. Awesome. Fakey tail slide.
Ooh, that looks hard.
Oh, fakey to switch crook. Oh man, I should have moved the rail.
Fakey nose slide.
Boom.
This way, right?
Yeah, yep.
Ah, dang it. Oh, is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Defense.
360 flip lip slide.
Fakey to switch feeble. Oh.
Big spin, board slide.
Boom.
Oh.
Game. Well, that was a good game.
I want to rematch
Really good game.
when I come back.
So I want to hear about your company.
I started Redemption about 8 years ago, and we build high quality wooden decks. I like to use a lot of exotic materials and build high quality boards that are affordable.
What do you think about this guy? This is the Amazon.
Let me see yours.
It's a little long. This used to be more of the style, but it looks like a pretty good board. It's rounded nicely, but the shape's kind of funky. Just a different board.
Whoa, damn. Was that dolphin flip out?
Yeah, I could get down with this one.
Yeah, you like that one better?
Yeah.
A briefcase?
Briefcase.
Are you sure we're allowed to see this?
Oh yeah. Look at my numbers. Redemption handboards and Redemption fingerboards.
You custom made all of these.
Yes.
Wow, I've never seen one with grip
Is
tape
that
like
real
that.
grip tape? Just from a regular
Yep.
board?
Feel the
Grip
difference on
tape
this
and
one.
foam tape.
What's
Foam
the
tape.
difference? Why do people?
Grip is a lot harsher in the winter when it's colder, so
Wow.
people use foam so their fingers don't bleed. Here's some graphic boards. We got C-Demption and Gluttony.
That's sick.
These are wear graphics, just
Dude,
like a
look at
real
these
skateboard.
wheels. They have
Got some swirls
the
in
actual
those.
urethane swirls. 6 plies. Let me see.
6 plies of maple.
Let's see. So you like press these in your garage or something? Or?
Yeah, I have a shop that I make these boards at.
This is like a whole nother video. It's like the most epic video of all time. Wow, that was amazing, eh?
All right, you crushed it, you killed it, you destroyed it.
Thank you.
Horrible at these.
You just keep going. You just go forever, you know, and then eventually it like
Works out.
You guys should definitely go to his website. The link will be in the description below, and you can check out all of the incredible gear and everything that they have there. Link in the description below. Thank you, 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 thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave the comment below. Do you fingerboard? Do you handboard? Do you skateboard? Let us know. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.